Good morning. Linnea here from northern Sweden. I'm a singer, and today I was supposed to go to the studio, but the producer that I work with, he had been coughing this during the past night, so it was cancelled. So I just reload and heading down to the creek now, to the river, to see how much water it is in the river, because yesterday it was like some rest of an volcano that hit the city which I live close by. So it was very, very windy, and the night to yesterday and a lot and lots of rain. So it was not an volcano, but it was really stormy weather. So it was cars had to be pulled out from the water gatherings in the city, below the bridges, and it's a lot of words right now that comes up in my head that I don't know in English. But quite dramatic day, and I was at the library. We have this gorgeous view from our library all over the river. And it was so high waves on the river, and the trees alongside it were bending in all directions. And yesterday morning the power went off. It was because the water had gotten into the electricity, the plug. So we had to. It was on the outside of the house, so we had to pull all the plugs on the outside of the house, and that way we could switch the säkring, we call it in Swedish. I don't know it in English. So it got sorted, and I actually feel quite this being pregnant. I have like a lot of hormones now. It's like easy. I cry very easily, and this morning I have started to since like a week ago. I have started in the mornings to do a practice to write within the areas of energy, work, and love, who I want to be, and within those areas, and what kind of virtues I want to have, and what behaviors that encourages those virtues and identities within these areas, and also what kind of behaviors that makes it harder to achieve these virtues and identities. So this morning I wrote under love. I have been focusing all on self-love now since I started this practice when I have been writing, and then I wrote to be able to really be present with myself and be with life. Now with all these hormones in my going and all these changes in my life, I have to be in nature. That is like a need to feel connected to nature. So that's part of why I'm heading down to the creek now to just watch the water and feel good, feel connected. And it has a lot to do with my music, also nature, the surroundings here which I live in, and being outside no matter where I am is that is where I feel like music truly can come, and I can be in touch with my intuition, and I don't know actually if I think that the music I make is my music really. It is something that comes it comes to me somehow, and I wouldn't say that I'm religious at all in that sense that I have a specific God or something that I believe in, but I definitely believe that there is like a field that connects us all, and I feel that that I am more in that field of our common energy, or the cosmic energy, or I don't know, the universal awareness, so to say, when I'm outside. And you know, I feel the wind against my chin and on my hands. It's like I'm more alive with and actually being in my body. That also has a great aspect to it, being able to smell, and like different smells comes from the nature around surrounding you and so on. So I wish you a very good Monday. No, it's not Monday, it's Tuesday. I will speak to you tomorrow, and it's so beautiful weather today, so it's hard to believe how rough it was yesterday. I believe many cars were just like destroyed yesterday because it was so much water, and I mean when they got stuck in really deep puddles of water, and they have to drag them out. It's like, I don't know how they recover from that, the cars. Anyhow, speak to you tomorrow. Bye.